Traffic Control Police Wing Manipur has issued order to School Van Drivers Association to strictly adhere to safety regulations, particularly concerning the maximum number of students allowed in school vehicles. This advisory comes in light of growing concerns over overcrowding, which has become a significant risk to student safety during transportation. Citing Manipur Gazette Extraordinary Number 385 dated September 22nd of 2015, the Transport Department has set clear guidelines stipulating that school vehicles may not carry more than 1.5 times their registered seating capacity. This regulation was introduced to prevent overloading, which not only breaches the law but also greatly increases the chances of accidents, especially during sudden stops or collisions. As per the Manipur Gazette Extraordinary Number 189, dated September 7th of 2019, the Traffic Control Police Wing has been empowered to take action against violators under Section 194 Clause A of the Motor Vehicles Amendment Act 2019. Drivers of school vehicles found exceeding to prescribed seating capacity will face penalties. The Traffic Control Police Wing stressed the importance of collective responsibility in safeguarding the well-being of students on the road, urging all concerned parties to comply with the rules for the safety of school children.